Get to experience these stunning 3 and 4 bedroom apartments which are located in South Sea. These beautiful homes boost luxury, making it the perfect space for couples, families, or individuals looking for a luxury experience. These 3 and 4 bedroom apartments have amenities such as swimming pool, a gym, backup generator, solar panels, high-speed lift, 24-hour CCTV surveillance, which will make your living experience even more enjoyable. In terms of location, this property is conveniently located just opposite Hanan Guest House along Rumi Road. Don't miss out the opportunity to make this apartment your new home with our flexible 4-year payment plan at 0% interest. Call us today on 0709 658 000 or also visit our website at www.ramahomesltd.com.